Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Manglam. So today's video we are going to discuss about mass hiring opportunity from Wipro. Okay, so first we will talk about the Wipro hiring opportunity. After that we are going to discuss about other hirings from Genpact, Oracle and Coinbase. Other hirings we will talk about. Okay, so first of all you can see over here the Wipro hiring for trainee. Okay, as a trainee you are going to apply over here and location would be Chennai. Now we are going to discuss about the qualification criteria. What is the exact criteria for this hiring opportunity? Qualification is B Tech students can apply, CSIT EC branch, MC students can also apply. Only 2024 pass out. Okay, so 24 pass out can apply only. Shift timing you can see over here. UK shift and Wipro is hiring technical graduates for Chennai location. This is for Chennai location. Designation would be trainee. Role would be manual testing. So okay, so if we talk about like what work you will do, so basically you are going to work in manual testing. Job description you can see over here. Other requirements also behavioral competencies, quality and technical skills. So in technical skills you should have software development life cycle, automation testing principle. You should have some exposure. Okay, and will knowledge of system testing, software quality assurance, best practices. Okay, because you are going to work in manual testing, so you should have some practical knowledge or some skills in testing. So okay, that would be very added advantage. Basic relational database concept you should have, SQL queries knowledge you should have. So these are the some skills, technical skills that you should have. How to apply in this? Here you can see apply button. If you want to apply directly, you can apply over here Wipro. If you have not registered in Wipro, then you can register. After, otherwise, you can directly log in and apply in this hiring opportunity. Now we are going to discuss about next hiring opportunity from Genpact. Genpact currently hiring for process developer. Okay, this is also technical opportunity, and who can apply in this hiring opportunity? Job you can see process developer, and this is for Hyderabad location. Primary location would be Hyderabad. You can see, and this is very recent opportunity and. Minimum qualification graduate, any graduate can apply as a process developer. So if you want to apply in process developer and Genpact, then you can apply. Now, next hiring opportunity from Oracle. Oracle currently hiring for a member of technical staff. This is also very popular job role from Oracle. Okay, so many students are applying in this hiring opportunity. If you want to apply, you can definitely apply. This is for Bangalore location. No experience required for this hiring opportunity due to 2 years. Product development, the job category, you will be working in product development and now, talking about the preferred qualification, minimum qualification, proficiency you should have in Linux-based build analysis, CI/CD pipelines and environment you should have, Agile development knowledge you should have, TCP/IP protocols knowledge you should have, preferred qualification, technology-related certifications if you have. It is not mandatory, but if you have, then it would be added advantage. Familiarity with C, C++ or Java. Master's, PhD degree in computer science or related engineering field. Okay, you should have degree in engineering field or technical field. So if you want to apply, you can apply. Next, hiring opportunity from Super Procure. Okay, they're hiring for customer support trainee remotely. Okay, this is remotely basis hiring opportunity. If you want to work from home, then you can definitely apply. Most of the students are searching work from home opportunity, then you can definitely apply. Job title customer support trainee, customer support success team department, and like basically what you will do, you will work in logistic department, supply chain management, business administration. Like if you have degree in relevant field, if you have degree bachelor's degree in engineering relevant field you can apply. You will work in support field, customer support and service desk. Excellent communication skills you should have, both verbal and written communication skills. Strong problem solving skills you should have for this hiring opportunity. You can see other details. This is full time opportunity. Package would be 3 to 6 lakhs. Okay, so as a customer support trainee you can apply. Next hiring opportunity for Quick Heal. Quick Heal currently hiring for software engineer one. This is very old opportunity, but currently application is open. So if you want to apply, you can apply. Bachelor's degree and master degree you should have. Field specialization computer science, IT. If you want to apply, then you can apply. This is for experienced candidate. Okay, fresher are not eligible for this hiring opportunity. If you have 1 to 2 years of experience, then you can definitely apply in Coinbase. So some of these students are searching the job in data analyst field. So associate data analyst they are hiring. And what would be the eligibility criteria? You can see over here at least 2+ years so year of experience, relevant experience you should have. Advanced SQL and data modeling skills you should have. Python experience is a plus. Looker Tableau, QuickSight, proficiency that one data visualization tools. If you have knowledge, experience in data visualization tool, then you can definitely apply. Basically, If you worked as a data analyst in any company, if you have experience, then you can definitely apply as an associate data analyst. Then you can also apply in this hiring opportunity. So we are going to discuss about multiple hiring in next video. In this video, I have discussed about Genpact, Wipro, Oracle, Coinbase, other hirings opportunity. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.